Hello students, welcome to chemistry online classes. We were started the first lesson, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Synthetic fibers are obtained from petrochemicals, and we were discussed the three important synthetic fibers in the previous class. They are nylon, rayon and polyester. One more synthetic fiber is remaining, that is acrylic. In today's class, we are mainly focused on the fourth synthetic fiber, acrylic, and the most important synthetic fiber we are having a daily use, that is plastic. Okay, let's discuss what is acrylic and what are plastics and what are the types of plastics, etc. This synthetic fiber resembles natural wool and are called as artificial wool. Acrylic is called artificial wool, and most blankets and shawls are made from acrylic. Okay, because they are less expensive and they are available in different colors. These are the uses of acrylic, used for making shawl, sweater and blankets. Okay, these are the important uses. And now let's study the characteristics of synthetic fibers. Okay, synthetic fibers possess unique characteristics. They are durable, they dry up quickly because the water will drain off easily. They are affordable, means they are less expensive. They are readily available, they are easy to maintain. And one disadvantage of synthetic fiber is that it melts on heating. So while working in kitchen, try to avoid synthetic material because it will stick to your body and after burning. So it will catch fire easily, and the very next moment it will stick to your body also. So it will be dangerous to us for working in kitchen. Okay. Until now we were discussed the characteristics, types and all. Now let's move on to the another polymer. It is plastic. Like synthetic fiber, plastic is also made of polymers. But here all plastic do not have the same type of arrangement. Some are cross-linked and some are linear arrangement. Okay. So the plastic articles are available in all sizes because plastics is easily moldable, because it can be molded into any shape. Okay, here you can see it can be molded into any shape like bucket, mug, etc. So the example, polythene, poly plus ethene. Okay, we are mainly used as a carry bag. And plastics can be recycled and reused. And plastics can be colored, melted and rolled into sheets or made into wires. Okay. Types of plastics. Have you observed some plastics which we can bend easily, but some plastics when we apply force it will break. Okay, so the first type, it is thermoplastics. The plastics which get deformed, not the point, the plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. So if we pour hot water or if we keep it in burning a nearby candle and all, it will be bent easily and can be deformed. Examples, the polythene and PVC, polythene bag and the PVC pipe. And it is used for making toys, combs, containers, etc. because it can be easily bent and it can be easily deformed. And the second type, it is thermosetting plastics. The plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating are called thermoplastics. The examples, bakelite and melamine. Okay, bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity and are used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils, etc. In our home, our switch and all is made up of mainly using bakelite. A melamine is a versatile material that resists fire and is used for making kitchenware and fabrics. Okay, and which resist fire. The melamine vessels and all you can see your home. Okay, and these are all the thermoplastics example. Okay, PVC, toys and some bottles. And here you can see thermosetting plastics, the cooking utensils, the handles of the cooking utensils, the switch and phone. These are examples. And now the characteristics of plastics. After the category, you can see that the important characteristics of plastics you can observe from the types what we discussed. Okay, most of the iron metals will corrode easily, right? But plastic is non-reactive, so it does not undergo corrosion and all. So you can store food items etc. in plastics. They are not corroded easily. Okay, they are, first of all, it is non-reactive and they are not corroded easily. So you can store all the food items. Plastics are light, strong and durable. That is why we can carry it everywhere as your lunch box, okay, your carry bag and all. Plastics are cheaper than metals. They are easily to handle. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Which means that since it is poor conductor of heat and electricity, it can be used for in a daily life and it is easy to handle also. Okay.